Hello, welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. I have been, yes, to the basement. And I found a bag, a shopping bag of sorts. And I said, oh, I wonder what's in there. And the first thing, I'm just going to set over here. And then, because, of course, what have I found? But always a great thing, and that is more power cords. And it's funny, I sometimes see people advertising 1541. They say, don't have the power supply. Well, if it's a 1541 too, that could be an issue. But if it's a 1541 and they look at the back, they will see, hey, don't mess with the cords. They will see quite easily that it's just a regular power cord. Not everything in the world uses this cord, but certainly in North America a lot of things do. So I always talk to people and say, oh yeah, well, you take it probably on your TV or something else, and I go, oh, no. But that's okay. It means usually then they sell it untested, and untested things go for less than tested things that are working. So these, of course, will go to the door, because that's what I do. Now the other thing here, it's funny, I don't remember ever seeing this. I don't even remember this model. Oh, there's a wire. This is an ADA 1800. Now I seem to remember other models of this. I do. I don't remember the 1800. But what this does is this connector goes on the IEEE port, gives a pass-through so that you can connect other things to the IEEE port, and this, a ribbon cable, would connect you to a parallel printer. Centronics Parallel was the name of the connector. There it is. And what does this say? Connecticut Microcomputer Inc., Brookfield, Connecticut. Anyway, I remember I think there was a 1400 or 1450 and other such things. The thing that does worry me about this right now is what is this wire, and why is it just sticking out there? Why? Anyway, this too will need to be checked and tested. And I'm not going to put it under this table. I will take it also to the box show with other things to see what's what. Or, you know what? Maybe I'll set it aside and I'll send it away with Rudy of Rudy's Retro Intel. Because I sent him away with another interface. I think it was a 1450, or maybe. I don't remember now. Because he's been doing videos on connecting computers to the various machines that he has. And I'm not going to give away what he's doing or whatever. I'll just say he's doing cool things. So maybe, because he may have been testing. Oh, look at that. Wait a second. Look. Ooh. Not surprising. There's dip switches in the back of it. And what do they mean? I don't know. But I bet you. I would bet you. Now, is this on? I think I let it run dead. I think I did. Because I had unplugged the power. Hello? Okay, it seems to be charging. I will push the button. Maybe it's still too dead. Well, oh, we're coming to life. We are I bet you it is possible. That if I go in here to Google and I type in ADA 1800, 100 printer, let's see, printer manual, PDF. It came up and asked me to ask about that. No, this is other stuff. No. Okay, let's download your manual. I think I will add the word Commodore PET. Let's see if something comes up. Well, let's see. Here we have Public CBM Manual Super PET. I am not sure if this is going to be handy. Sometimes it is. Sometimes it isn't. Various pet auction German. I don't think this is going to find much here that will help. Anyway, we can figure that out. Let me just click on this one thing here. Oh, yeah. There are, just glancing at a Super Pet thing. Let's see here. Maybe I should send this link to Rudy of Rudy's Retro Intel. Perhaps. Well. Interesting. Okay, so we're not going to find anything incredibly helpful here, but so be it. I will see about this. Also, I'd love to find out if that wires work. You know what? It may be, like a lot of things eventually did. They had a wire that grabbed power off of the cassette port. Maybe it's that. But I'm not going to try that until I know. Anyway, thanks for coming. Have a lovely, lovely day. David Bradley in the TV room. Signing off.